Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Got a short message for you on today. We're going to be coming from John chapter 15, verses 1 through 4. We're going to be reading it from the NIV version, and it reads, I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener. He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit, while every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes so that it will be even more fruitful. You are already clean because of the word I have spoken to you. Remain in me, and I will remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me. So we're dealing with agricultural practices right here. And we see that Jesus described himself as the true vine, and his Father is the gardener. And he tells us that his Father cuts off every branch in him, the true vine, that bears no fruit. So if you are bearing no fruit, God cuts you off from his Son. While every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes. So if you are bearing fruit, even though you're growing, you need to be trimmed and taken care of and reorganized. So God is going to prune even those who are already growing so that they can grow even more fruitful. Jesus says you are already clean because of the word I have spoken to you. Remain in me. So we are to remain in Jesus. And he tells us, and then I will remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. So we need God. We need his word. We need his Son. We need to pray. We need to meditate on the word. We need to fast. We need to do all these things that's going to make us better. And we understand that God is going to allow these things to be available so we can be even more fruitful. Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me. So we must understand that we must remain in Jesus. See, Jesus is telling us from a planter's perspective that he's the true vine. So he's free of sin, where we know we are not. Jesus being free of sin, we don't have to worry about any contamination if we remain in Jesus. And when we get things wrong, God is going to allow things to come in our life where he prunes us and takes that out, or he gives us better understanding of things, or he's going to put somebody in our lives that we can understand. He's going to continue to prune us, but we must remain in him, and so he can remain in us. And our point is for us to continue to become more and more fruitful, to help the body of Christ, to help others who need it. We must stay in constant prayer, trusting, believing in God. Jesus, he is the true vine.